Welcome to the Algebra I STAAR podcast. I am Miss Clifton, and in today's episode, I will go over how to graph a linear function not in the y equals mx plus b form. Stay tuned so I can show you. This is the question that we will answer today. The question says, which graph best represents negative 5y equals negative 6x plus 15? And we will have to choose from one of these graphs to be the answer. What do we need to know? We need to remember that every linear function is going to follow the equation y equals mx plus b, where m represents how the line moves and b represents the beginning of the line. So in this case, b will be this point, the beginning in this example will be 4. Then we're going to look at how the line moves, m, rise over run. So first we'll look at the raise, how much the line goes up. In this case 3, that will be 3 divided by the run. In this case the run is 2. So m will be 3 over 2. To be able to answer this question, we need to know the starting point of the line, b, or also called the y-intercept. And also know the slope, so we know how the line moves, up, down, and how fast. The problem is that the equation is in the form negative 5y equals negative 6x plus 15, and it's not the y equals mx plus b form, where we can see the slope right away and the y-intercept. So we need to change the equation by solving for y. To change our equation, negative 5y equals negative 6x plus 15. So it would look like the equation y equals mx plus b. We need to leave the variable y alone and cancel the number negative 5. To be able to cancel the negative 5, we must do the opposite of what it's doing to the y. When a number is next to any variable, it's multiplying. And to cancel it, we must do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So we need to divide by negative 5. Every single member of our equation. We like to do it individually because then we'll notice this. The negative 5 and the negative 5 will cancel. First, the negative 6 cannot be evenly divided by the negative 5, so we'll keep it as a fraction and b. But we have a negative and a negative that will turn into a positive, so still 6 over 5x. Then a positive 15 divided by a negative 5 give us minus 3 or negative 3. So our new equation is y equals 6 over 5x minus 3. That means that we have a negative 3 as a y-intercept. So the starting point is negative 3. And then my line moves 6 up and 5 to the right. So we need to find an x and a y-intercept of negative 3. That's a positive. Negative 3, this is possible. Negative 3, this is possible. Negative 3, this is not possible. So we can eliminate this and this. So my y-intercept of negative 3 is correct, but then I need to move up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 5 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move up 6. Well, this doesn't work anymore. So my right answer is C. Let's go over what did we do today. We graphed an equation not in the y equals mx plus b form by first solving for y. Then we identify the y-intercept and slope. Finally, we checked all graphs for our y-intercept and slope. I hope you enjoyed this episode and learned how to graph an equation not in the y equals mx plus b form. See you next time.